Hello, so we're looking at another question in this paper. It's 22c, this one, and we've got uranium-238, nucleus starts at the decay chain, which ends in a nucleus of lead-206. Okay, so we end up with, we know what we start with, U238, and we end up with lead-206. Okay, this is pretty typical. Most decay chains end in lead. But we want to know, so show that 14 particles are emitted during this decay chain. Explain your reasoning. So they're not talking about any hydrogen or any other elements. We're talking about particles. So because it's particles, we're not talking about gamma. Okay? So we can straight away say, no gamma here. I'm sure there would be, but that's not what this question is interested in. So the first thing I'd do with a question like this is look at the difference in mass. Because if we don't have gamma, we've got alpha, or we've got beta minus or beta plus. Okay, I suppose we could have neutrons, but these questions don't typically involve them because that means you've got two sources of mass loss, so it's not going to happen. Okay, not in A level. So we know that the only one here who's got mass loss is going to be the alpha particle. So I want to know how many alpha particles are released with this drop in mass. So 238 minus 206 is how many? Well, you can do this in your head, or let's just be safe and do it on the calculator. So it's 32. If there's 32 nucleons lost, how many alpha particles? Well, we just divide it by 4, and we should get 8. So that means that there's 8 alpha particles, and we can write it like that. Now, if we have 8 alpha particles, 8 times 2, I'm going to look at what happens to the atomic number or the charge. 8 times 2 is 16. We've got 82, and we've got 92. So we are missing some number because 82 plus 16 is not 92. Okay, so what are we missing? What's the problem here? So let's have a look. So 82 plus 16 is 98. Let's get the light there. So we've got 98 on this side. That means we need to minus 6. We need to minus 6. What particles are going to let us minus 6? Well, it's going to be the beta minus. So that means we have 6 beta minuses. Okay, and 6 and 14 is, 6 and 8 is 14. So 6 alpha particles, 8 alpha particles, and 6 beta minus particles, adds up to 14 particles. Okay, that's the explanation.